Okay, so first thing you want to do is to go to the top left and click on the menu icon. You expand the bar and go for the setting icon, which is the manage labels. So you go to the top and click on general, then you scroll down, you look for where you see create new. You see no signatures, create new at the email signature. So you name your email signature. So after naming, you click create. Then after creating, you see an empty space by the right, where you paste in your custom signature description. Then you click on the image icon there, where you need to upload your email signature. So you will see option of web address or Google Drive. So you click on the Google Drive and then you click on upload by the left. Then you click on browse. So after clicking on the browse, you wait for it to load. Then you go to your folder where you have your email signature saved. So you must have designed your email signature already before. So if you don't have one, you can contact me. I can design one for you at an affordable price. Okay, so after uploading, then you click on allow. So you wait for it to load. So your email signature has been attached. Then you have to resize it. So you see the option where you can resize either to small, medium or large, and even the original size depending on your preference. Okay, so I'll leave my own at large. Yes, I'll leave my own at large so that it can look bolder. And then you come to the tab below and you click on, you select your your name, the name you have changed your email to. So that will work for the when you are sending new email and then when you are responding to an email, so that your email signature can be attached, can be there. So after that, so you scroll down and then you can look around in case you have other options from those drop down. Then you click on save changes. So after clicking on save changes, you wait for it to save. So you wait for it to save. So if you need an email signature, you can contact me. So that is all, it has saved. Then you can now refresh your email. Yes, thank you for watching. Have a nice time.